Hi, this is Tracy Gio with MVP Realty's Gio Group. Wanted to introduce you to this beautiful custom luxury home at 2913 68th Street Southwest in Naples, Florida. This is a 4-bedroom plus den, 3.5 bath with 3,500 square feet under air and a beautiful pool and spa. Why don't you enjoy this beautiful home tour? So what did you think of this gorgeous home? Couldn't you see yourself living here? Don't forget, you're in the heart of Naples, close to the Naples beaches, shopping, dining, and more. West of I-75, you're enjoying country living with over 2.25 acres of land in the heart of town. For more information or to schedule your own private tour, please contact Tracy Gio today with MVP Realty's Gio Group. You can reach me at 239-292-1499. Thanks.